So here's how to add a drop-down menu on Wix. First up, let's head over to the wix.com website. And as you can see, we're already here. Now, click on Login or Get Started on the top right corner. And once you're logged in, this will be your dashboard. From here, click on Edit Site on the top right. After that, you'll be taken to the Wix website editor page. So give it some time to load up. So as you can see, we're now in the website template on Wix. Go over to the left panel and click on Pages and Menu. Then go ahead and click on Add Page. Now, from the menu on the left panel, choose whichever one that you want. After that, go through the templates and click on Add Page on your preferred page. And as you can see, it has now been added to your website. Over here, you can change the name and click on Done. After that, just drag the newly created page under one of the pages here to put it as a drop-down menu. So once done, let's click on Preview on the top right. After that, if you hover over on Home, you will get to see the drop-down menu appear, and this is where your newly added page will be. So if you click on it, you'll be redirected to the newly created page. And that is exactly how to add a drop-down menu on Wix.